Good morning everybody. I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to make the breakfast shake with the high nature, which is one of the items in the Gut2Go Happy Gut box that I'm starting to sell as part of the Happy Gut programs that I do. So it's really simple. So first of all, get a measuring jug. I like to use coconut milk, so there's the one that I have, unsweetened and natural, and you measure out 300 mils. So pour that in. There's 300 mils. Okay, that's simple. So I've got 300 mils in my measuring jug. I like to add in a banana, so I'm just going to peel this banana, break it in half. Banana goes in. Just wipe my fingers. Okay, then high nature. Okay, so this energy breakfast shake has a little scoop that comes with it. Okay, and you get 2 1/4, it says. So there's 1 and 2, and then it's got a little measure in it so you can see when you're on your quarter, and that's the quarter in there. So you pop that in. Okay, lid up. I have a habit of knocking things over, and then I'm just using the Braun hand blender, so simply pop it in and off you go, and you just blitz it all together. Doesn't take long. And I don't know if you can see the nice green colour. Okay, and then you get a glass, one I've got earlier, so get a glass, just take the blender out, pour in, and there is your healthy and tasty breakfast protein drink for a happy gut.